Those of us who are outside were still.
Arimi macani na kahua kuma ng'enda-inĩ itiganite nimathiite nambere na guteta ni mathina maria magumiire thoko ciao makiria bururi wa China uria ugumirwo ni murimu wa coronavirus.
Those of us who are outside were still.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa bodi ya kambuni ya Sasini James McPhee augite arimi kahua na macani no mathiite nambere na gutara hathara urimi-ini wao kumana na wingi wa indo ici thoko-ini na kugurirwo na thogora wa thi makiria.
Costs of production in Kenya are higher than those in Rwanda, they're higher than those in Tanzania, they're higher than those in Uganda, they're higher than those in Ethiopia. So we have a problem in Kenya. We have to lower the cost of production. But you know, that depends on each one of us being honest. If I start stealing from the system, I am spoiling the whole of Kenya. And we've got to understand this. Each one of us has to be responsible.
Nige augete ati aria maigete macani mao thoko-ini mwaka wa 2018 mari na mwihoko ati thoko ni kwabatira kuonana mwaka uyu macani ni magirirwa kuingiha thoko-ini mwaka uyu. Mwene-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa kambuni iyo Martin Ochieng akiaria hende ya kigomano-ini kia oro mwaka kia igithia kambuni ino augete kahua kaya kuhutio ni mbura mwaka-ini uyu no akiuga ni mareketie mitaratara ya gutigirira matiratara hathara.
The coronavirus is now with us. It's affecting business whether we like it or not. First way, it's affecting shipments, and 99% of our business is an export business, and so if shipments are not going through as fluidly as they should.
Kameme TV, jitagwo Wangari wa Kibaki.